Hi there, this is my Blundstone 318 safety boots. I have owned and used these boots for the past 6 years. They have a shoelace which I leave permanently tied up, and for convenience they have a zip with a velcro strap. It has served me very well on my site work, as well as I use it as a casual boot, so I wear these boots a lot. The sole is worn out. Join me in this video as I explain why I've decided to replace these boots. And it's not because of the worn out sole, and I didn't replace it with another zipped boot. Instead, I replaced it with this Blundstone 9020 Rotoflex dial and steel cable system boot. I explain why I chose the BOA system instead of the zip boot. This will be a short video. As I said, I wear these boots a lot. Process is, put my foot in the boot, zip it up, and then velcro it. The same for the other side. The problem is, after so many years, within a few minutes of walking around, the velcro doesn't catch anymore. It's very weak, and the zip starts opening by itself, and it will open up completely within a few minutes of walking. So it gets extremely frustrating that I have to keep zipping it up. Velcro, it opens up by itself, and I have to repeat the process, which wastes a lot of time. So I have replaced these boots, not so much because the sole is worn out, which it is, as you can see from spots, but because the zip is extremely frustrating for me. So I decided not to buy another safety boot with the zip. Instead, I chose these boots with the BOA dial and steel cable system. In this case, this happens to be that this is a Blundstone brand, model 9020. It's called the Rotoflex 9020 BOA system boot. I only recently discovered this system, and I think I'm gonna like using it because I think it's gonna be less frustrating. The system is very rapid. There is a dial here which has a series of steel cables interlooped. To release the steel cables, I simply pull out the dial, and that releases the steel cable. I can then slip my foot in, and to tighten, I push the dial in. There's a click sound, and I turn the dial clockwise, and it tightens the steel cable inwards. Just for ease of demonstration, I'm not going to put my foot in it so that I can show you the boot on the workbench. And when I've worn it, it is a very nice fit. Only time will tell if I wear it regularly and if the system is reliable. It is definitely efficient. As I said, to release, pull out the dial, there will be a click, and I can spread open, put my foot in, then push in the dial, turn clockwise to draw the steel cables in. That's it. Very simple. Well, I hope you found this video interesting. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.